What is up, guys? Brand new video here. So we are doing Try Not to Laugh Bird Edition. So this is gonna be a normal channel, as you know. It's my birthday today, so if it gets through today, that would be cool. So I am just doing stuff. I'm saving for headphones. They're like 1,500 rand here, which is crazy. But yeah, also the sounds better, and I'll do like videos on PC and Minecraft. So let's get into the video. I can't remember what that song is. It looks like it's just getting killed by a cat, but it's just sitting in water. That's just sad. Poor bird.
None you, none you, and now I wonder.
I think it looks like probably think it's food. It's thinking a worm. This is so weird. I am a soldier. I don't know how they do that with their feet. There's plastic.
Disrespect your surroundings!
Get out. Other birds in the background. Sounds like a baby. If it jumps.
All around.
I don't know what type of birds these are, but they're hilarious. And if it falls off the cage, I'm... Oh, get my front side. On my neck. Oh, that's great. Oh, this is like cat.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Hold on, something's coming out of here. Look, there's a bird, dude, it knows what's good. I'm telling you, I just heard it inside.
That's a lot of birds. And this get really annoying. Shame. And this gets so annoying. back to that. That's my fault. Okay. So I just want to go to his links. So this is David. So Davey3684. Go to his channel, subscribe to him, like his video as usual, and turn on his bell. And subscribe to this channel, and I want to thank you guys for watching the video. See you later. Thank you so much, guys.